Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a brief overview, some general information, and my first impressions on this A2C magnetic phone holder sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. This little thing comes in handy a lot. Let me tell you what I like about it. The magnet that comes with this phone holder is super strong. It doesn't slip, it doesn't slide, it stays right where it's supposed to be. The unit does come with instructions, but it is very easy to use. You simply place the ball inside the phone holder, right? And then you just tighten it up like so. I make a lot of videos, and this really frees up my hand in a lot of different ways. And it can hold the phone vertically, or you can turn it and hold it horizontally. Or as we used to say, portrait and landscape. There are a lot of places where this type of phone holder can come in handy. For me, there are just a couple of places that I use it more times than not. The first is on my refrigerator in my kitchen, and I also have refrigerators in my garage. It's great to have them there. It frees up my hands if I'm talking on the phone and doing a video, or if I'm actually doing a video conference or call with someone. It makes it super easy. Also, it goes great in my garage. I can put it right on the garage frame. I know where my phone is at all times. I can be working in the yard. I can be working in the garage, which my garage is very messy and easy to lose phones. So when I have this on the frame, I know exactly where my phone is. And also, I do keep it on my car if I'm working outside. You'll notice, though, I have a towel underneath so that I don't scratch the paint or anything like that. But it does stick onto my car if I'm working outside and I'm not in my garage. It just helps me keep track of exactly where my phone is at all times. And there are lots of other places where this is useful. Golf cars, exercise equipment, beach umbrella frames. Wherever you have a good flat metal surface, this will absolutely come in handy and help you keep track of your phone. This is a snazzy little item that I highly recommend. It's a keeper for me. Maybe it'll work for you as well.